In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a portable foldable fan. This is USB and battery operated, just so you know. And I'm just going to kind of go over the kind of specs and everything of this thing. It's from the company Northern Chill. They've got on it low noise, foldable, adjustable, lightweight, USB and battery operated. The size is 5.4 by 5.4 by 2. And right here it is. I've already had this thing out and I have been using it, and I have been very impressed with this thing. It's got a speed mode on it, and it is adjustable where it lengthens out. Let me go ahead and pull it kind of completely out right here. You can see how it looks like this. It extends to go a little higher, so you see the height of it right here. That looks like it's probably about a foot. It does it say extended 11.8, so I was close. And what I like about it is you can turn it a lot of different ways like this. See how I can rotate it around? And when this is what's neat, it just is nice and compact like that. And then they talk about batteries on this thing. This is not rechargeable batteries, by the way. So what I did, I went ahead and took the two small screws out. I just left them out because I don't even think you really need them. And I put these Taken rechargeable batteries in here. This does not recharge, but you can run these down, take them out, and charge these batteries up. And I will leave a link to these batteries right here. But let me show you the fan by itself. So right here, it's already like this. And here's the screw that's in it, by the way. It is a very tiny screw. I had to use like an eyeglass screwdriver to get those things out. This has 2 speeds on it. That's pretty simple, everybody. It's just a fan. Hit it once. It's blowing right now. That's the low. Hit it again. There's the high. I don't know if you can hear it in the mic. It's not that loud, especially on low. And then when you hit it a third time, it turns itself off. Now there's the battery powered, and like I said, it uses 4 AA. You can see right there, 4 AA. Let's go ahead and take a battery out. Let me show you how this thing works. Actually, it came with a little set of instructions too. The instructions kind of show you how to use it there. Let me show you how I use it. So you could plug this in, say like on a power brick on a wall, but what I'm going to use on it is a power bank. And this is my Marathon 25,000 milliamp power bank. You can see right here. What I like about this one, it tells you how much output is being taken out of it. So check it out. 0.2 amps of draw, 0.6 amps of draw. And I can already tell you, using this power bank, it goes a lot more powerful than using the AA batteries. Like I can really feel that blowing nicely on that. And look at the different articulation you can do to this thing. You can put it, this is one of the better desk fans I've seen out there, especially for the weight, for how small it is. They got it watching games, desks, tables, bedside, picnics. You know what? Cool air anytime. And that's using this power bank right here. So, and this is how I recommend using it. If you have a good power bank, use that. If not, just any type of little kind of power brick will work on this thing. It'll work just fine on that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Northern Chill. You can see right there, 10 inches to 12 inches, 180-degree rotation, 2-speed, USB, battery powered. See you all in the next video.